Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hold a phone call on Google Pixel 10 Pro. To hold a phone call, you need to first make it. Let's wait a moment. Okay, now I've received it. And now if you want to hold it, click on three dots, then hold. And now the call was held, is on hold, and on my other phone I can now hear that I need to wait because the call is on hold, and if I want to stop the hold I can click on stop, and now it works again. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.